Eliminate intestinal parasites with ease through these 7 powerful foods, now available in your pantry. Discover now how these simple ingredients can eradicate worms from your intestine once and for all naturally, without resorting to medication. Did you know that millions of people are harboring intestinal worms right now without even suspecting it? There are 7 common foods in everyday life that help fight worms, the last being the best of them. He is actually very popular, which is why he was chosen as the subject of this video. These foods include garlic, carrots, pineapple, pumpkin seeds, mint tea, and, finally, the most feared among the intestinal parasites that we will now reveal. Each of these foods has specific properties that help detoxify the body and eliminate parasites naturally. To explore more about these foods and understand how they can contribute to intestinal health, we will launch a series of specific videos, and the focus of today's video will be one of the best known, but little explored, ingredients when it comes to deworming. Follow along to discover the benefits and the best ways to incorporate it into your diet to combat worms and promote the health of your digestive system. Furthermore, at the end we will give you a tip on a natural supplement with ingredients you already have at home to replace the vitamins stolen by the parasites. Today, we're going to explore the silent horrors of intestinal worms and how they could be undermining your health without you even realizing it. Have you ever stopped to think that there could be dozens of intestinal worms reproducing inside you and feeding on your energy without you even realizing it? As you watch this video, there is a real possibility that these parasites are multiplying inside your body, draining your vitality and harming your health. These worms can cause serious damage to your health. They feed on the nutrients you take in, leaving you constantly tired, weak, and sick. Have you ever wondered why, despite all your efforts to stay healthy, you continue to feel unwell? These parasites could be draining your vitality, harming your digestive system, and undermining your immunity, opening the door to a series of even more serious health problems. But do not worry. This video is not only to raise awareness about the dangers of intestinal worms, but also to offer an effective solution to those who suffer from this invisible problem. We present to you a natural solution, proven effective to eliminate these unwanted parasites from your body. It's not just about getting rid of worms, but also about restoring your health through a natural supplement made at home to recover the vitamins stolen by the parasites. The extracts were then administered to animal models infected with Ascaris lumbricoides, and the antiparasitic efficacy was evaluated. The results showed a significant reduction in parasite load in animals treated with papaya seed extract. Analysis revealed that papain present in papaya seeds plays a crucial role in destroying worms. The enzyme breaks down the parasite's membrane proteins, resulting in its death and elimination from the body. The main findings of the study indicate that there was a significant decrease in the number of parasites in the treated animals. Furthermore, treatment with papaya seed extract was well tolerated by the animals, without significant adverse effects, demonstrating the therapeutic potential of papaya seeds as a promising alternative to conventional antiparasitic medications. Based on the study findings, papaya seeds can be used in several ways to take advantage of their antiparasitic benefits. Below are some practical ways to prepare and consume papaya seeds. First, it is important to wash the papaya seeds well, dry them in the sun or in a low oven, and then grind them into a fine powder. The powder must be stored in an airtight container, in a cool, dry place, to preserve its properties. For consumption, one option is to add a teaspoon of papaya seed powder to juice or yogurt. Consuming it daily can help keep the intestine free of parasites. Another option is to encapsulate the powder and take it as a daily supplement, or add the ground seeds to hot water to make a medicinal tea. The recommended dosage is generally 1 teaspoon of papaya seed powder per day for antiparasitic effects. However, it is important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any treatment, especially for children, pregnant women, or people with pre-existing medical conditions. In addition to its antiparasitic properties, papaya offers a range of other health benefits. Papaya is known for its digestive properties, thanks to the papain and dietary fiber present in the fruit. Consuming papaya regularly can help relieve constipation, improve digestion, and promote a healthy digestive tract. Papain, by helping to break down proteins, facilitates digestion and absorption of nutrients, promoting a more efficient digestive system. Furthermore, the dietary fiber present in papaya helps regulate intestinal transit, preventing problems such as constipation. Papaya is an excellent source of antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Vitamin C, in particular, is known for its potent antioxidant properties, which protect the body's cells against oxidative damage. Vitamin A, in turn, is essential for the health of the eyes, skin, and immune system, while phenolic compounds have anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the body against various diseases. The high concentration of vitamin C in papaya also contributes to strengthening the immune system. Vitamin C increases the production of white blood cells, which are essential in defending against infections and diseases. By strengthening the immune system, papaya helps the body protect itself against a variety of pathogens, promoting overall health and longevity. Papain and other antioxidants present in papaya also benefit skin health. They help remove dead cells, promoting clearer, healthier skin. Papaya is also used in topical treatments to speed wound healing and reduce skin inflammation. The enzyme papain, when applied topically, can help clear the skin, remove blemishes and scars, and improve the overall texture of the skin. Furthermore, regular consumption of papaya can help keep your skin hydrated and healthy from the inside out. In addition to fighting parasites, papaya contributes to digestive health, provides antioxidant properties, supports the immune system, and improves skin health. Incorporating papaya and its seeds into your diet can be an effective strategy for improving overall health and preventing disease. Papaya can be consumed in many ways, whether fresh, in juices, salads, or even as part of healthy desserts. The seeds, as mentioned, can be dried, ground, and added to different types of foods and drinks. Papaya, therefore, is not only a delicious and nutritious fruit, but also a powerful ally in promoting health. Its medicinal properties, especially papain, offer a variety of benefits that go beyond basic nutrition. Papain, in particular, is a versatile enzyme with applications in many areas of health, from improving digestion to fighting intestinal parasites. Papaya seeds, often discarded, contain bioactive compounds that can be used for natural and effective treatments against parasites. Scientific studies continue to explore and confirm the numerous benefits of papaya, expanding our understanding of how this fruit can be used to promote health and well-being. Research into the effectiveness of papaya seeds against intestinal parasites is an example of how traditional knowledge can be combined with modern science to develop new therapeutic approaches. Here are 5 recipes using papaya and its seeds, which can help fight worms effectively, and then we will reveal a powerful supplement to recover the vitamins consumed by the worms. 1. Papaya juice with seeds. Ingredients: 1 ripe papaya, 1 tablespoon of dried and ground papaya seeds, 1 glass of water, honey or sugar to taste, optional. 1. Cut the papaya in half and remove the seeds. Reserve the seeds. 2. Peel the papaya and cut it into pieces. 3. In a blender, add the papaya pieces, water, and ground papaya seeds. 4. Beat until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. 5. Sweeten with honey or sugar, if desired. 6. Serve immediately. 2. Yogurt with papaya seed powder. Ingredients: 1 cup of natural yogurt, 1 teaspoon of dried and ground papaya seeds, honey or fresh fruit to sweeten, optional. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix the yogurt with the papaya seed powder. 2. Add honey or fresh fruit, if desired, to sweeten and enrich the flavor. 3. Consume once a day, preferably at breakfast. 3. Papaya salad with papaya seeds. 1 ripe papaya, 1 teaspoon of dried and ground papaya seeds, half a cup green leaves, arugula, spinach, or lettuce, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts or almonds, 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, optional, 1 lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Cut the papaya in half, remove the seeds and set aside. Peel and cut the papaya into cubes. 2. In a large bowl, combine the leafy greens, papaya, walnuts or almonds, and feta cheese, if using. 3. In a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 4. Add papaya seed powder to the sauce and mix well. 5. Drizzle the salad with the dressing and mix gently. 6. Serve immediately.
4. Papaya settea.
Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dried and ground papaya seeds, 1 cup of boiling water, honey or lemon to taste, optional. Instructions: 1. Add papaya seed powder to boiling water. 2. Leave to infuse for about 10 minutes. 3. Strain the mixture to remove seed residue. 4. Sweeten with honey or add lemon if desired. 5. Drink hot or warm. 5. Papaya and pineapple smoothie with papaya seeds. Ingredients: 1 cup diced ripe papaya, half a cup diced pineapple, 1 teaspoon of dried and ground papaya seeds, 1 glass of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional, ice to taste. 1. In a blender, add the papaya, pineapple, ground papaya seeds, and coconut water. 2. Blend until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. 3. Sweeten with honey, if desired. 4. Add ice and beat again until it is very cold. 5. Serve immediately. 6. Papaya and seed paste for toast. Ingredients: a 1 ripe papaya, a 1 teaspoon dried and ground papaya seeds, a 1 tablespoon of honey, a 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a whole grain toast. Instructions: 1. Cut the papaya in half and remove the seeds. Reserve the seeds. 2. Peel the papaya and mash the pulp until it reaches a paste consistency. 3. Mix ground papaya seeds, honey, and lemon juice into the papaya paste. 4. Spread the mixture over the whole grain toast. 5. Serve immediately as a healthy breakfast or snack. 7. Papaya vinaigrette with papaya seeds. Ingredients: a 1/2 ripe papaya, cut into small cubes, a 1 teaspoon dried and ground papaya seeds, a 1/2 chopped red onion, a 1 chopped tomato, or a 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, a 1 lemon juice, a 1 tablespoon olive oil, a salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix the papaya, onion, tomato, and cilantro. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 3. Add papaya seed powder to the sauce and mix well. 4. Drizzle the papaya mixture with the sauce and mix gently. 5. Serve as a side dish for grilled meat or fish. 8. Yogurt dressing with papaya seeds for salads. Ingredients: or 1 cup of natural yogurt, a 1 teaspoon dried and ground papaya seeds, the juice of 1/2 lemon, a 1 clove of garlic, chopped,
1 tablespoon chopped fresh mint.
a salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix the yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, and mint. 2. Add the ground papaya seeds and mix well. 3. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 4. Use the sauce to dress salads or as a dip for raw vegetables. 9. Papaya puree with papaya seeds. Ingredients: a 1 ripe papaya, a 1 teaspoon dried and ground papaya seeds, a 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, a 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Instructions: 1. Cut the papaya in half and remove the seeds. Reserve the seeds. 2. Peel the papaya and cut it into pieces. 3. In a food processor, add the papaya, ground papaya seeds, ginger, and lemon juice. 4. Beat until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Serve as a side dish for meat or as a healthy dessert. 10. Green papaya and papaya seed smoothie. Ingredients: a 1 cup diced ripe papaya, a 1 cup fresh spinach, a 1 chopped green apple, a 1 teaspoon dried and ground papaya seeds, or 1 glass of water or almond milk, a 1 tablespoon of chia, optional, ice to taste. Instructions: 1. In a blender, add the papaya, spinach, apple, ground papaya seeds, and water or almond milk. 2. Blend until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. 3. Add chia and ice, if desired, and blend again. 4. Serve immediately as a nutritious breakfast or energizing snack. 11. Papaya and seed paste for toast. Ingredients: a 1 ripe papaya, a 1 teaspoon dried and ground papaya seeds, a 1 tablespoon of honey, a 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a whole grain toast. Instructions: 1. Cut the papaya in half and remove the seeds. Reserve the seeds. 2. Peel the papaya and mash the pulp until it reaches a paste consistency. 3. Mix ground papaya seeds, honey, and lemon juice into the papaya paste. 4. Spread the mixture over the whole grain toast. 5. Serve immediately as a healthy breakfast or snack. And as promised, here is a juice rich in vitamins to recharge your energy after deworming. Invigorating orange and carrot juice. Ingredients: 2 oranges, 1 1/2 carrot, 500 milliliters of ice water. Method of preparation: 1. Peel and cut the oranges into cubes. 2. Do the same with the carrots. 3. Add all the ingredients to the blender along with the water and blend until you get a homogeneous mixture. 4. Serve without straining to enjoy all the nutrients. This juice offers vitamin C from orange to boost the immune system and beta-carotene from carrots, an essential antioxidant. Furthermore, beta-carotene contributes to a healthy tan during the summer, prolonging melanin pigmentation. General tips so that you can enjoy 100% of the benefits of papaya against intestinal worms. To ensure that papaya seeds are properly prepared and maintain their beneficial properties, follow these detailed steps. 1. Cut the papaya in half and remove the seeds with a spoon. Make sure the seeds are fresh and healthy. 2. Wash the seeds well under running water to remove any residue from the papaya pulp. This prevents the growth of mold and other contaminants during the drying process. 3. Sun drying. Spread the seeds on a tray or screen, making sure they are in a single layer to dry evenly. Place the tray in a sunny, dry location, covering with gauze or a thin cloth to prevent insects from landing on them. Let dry for 2 to 3 days, stirring occasionally to ensure they dry evenly. Oven drying. Preheat the oven to a low temperature, around 50 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Spread the seeds in a single layer on a baking sheet. Place the baking tray in the oven and leave the door slightly ajar to allow air circulation. Dry the seeds for approximately 2 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally to prevent them from burning. 4. Verification. The seeds will be ready when they are completely dry and crunchy to the touch. Make sure there is no residual moisture as this can cause mold during storage. 5. Grinding. Use a coffee grinder or food processor to grind the dried seeds into a fine powder. Grind small amounts at a time to ensure an even consistency. 6. Store papaya seed powder in an airtight container, preferably glass, in a cool, dry place protected from light. This will help preserve its properties for longer. The powder can be stored for up to 6 months if kept in the correct conditions. To maximize the antiparasitic benefits of papaya seeds, it is important to incorporate them into your diet regularly. Here are some practical guidelines. 1. Frequency of consumption. Consume one of the recipes with papaya seeds daily to maintain a constant level of bioactive compounds in your body. 2. The recommended dosage is about 1 teaspoon of papaya seed powder per day. This amount is generally sufficient for antiparasitic effects, but can be adjusted according to individual needs and guidance from a healthcare professional. 3. Vary the recipes to avoid monotony and ensure that you continue to consume papaya seed powder in a pleasurable way. Use the powder in juices, yogurts, salads, teas, and smoothies. Before starting regular use of papaya seeds for therapeutic purposes, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions, are pregnant, or breastfeeding, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional. Here are some points to consider. 1. Medical assessment. A doctor or nutritionist can assess your general health status and determine whether regular consumption of papaya seeds is right for you. They can provide specific recommendations based on your individual needs and medical conditions. 2. Drug interactions. Tell your doctor about all medications and supplements you are taking. The healthcare professional can evaluate possible interactions between the bioactive compounds in papaya seeds and other medications. 3. Dosage adjustment. Your doctor may recommend adjustments in the dosage or frequency of consumption of papaya seeds based on your health condition and response to treatment. 4. Monitoring. Follow up regularly with your doctor to monitor the effects of consuming papaya seeds and adjust treatment as necessary. This is particularly important if you are using papaya seeds as part of a regimen to treat worms or other health conditions. 5. Special precautions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should take extra care and seek medical advice before consuming papaya seeds. Children should also be evaluated by a pediatrician before starting any treatment with papaya seeds. Following these guidelines will help ensure you can enjoy the benefits of papaya seeds safely and effectively, maximizing their therapeutic potential while minimizing any risks. Incorporating these recipes into your diet can be a tasty and effective way to use the benefits of papaya and its seeds to combat worms. In summary, papaya is a tropical fruit with an abundance of nutrients and bioactive compounds that offer a range of health benefits. Papain, a proteolytic enzyme found in papaya, stands out for its digestive, anti-inflammatory, and antiparasitic properties. Recent studies have shown that papaya seeds are effective against Ascaris lumbricoides, a common intestinal parasite. The seeds can be prepared and consumed in a variety of ways to take advantage of their therapeutic benefits. In addition to fighting parasites, papaya contributes to digestive health, provides antioxidant properties, supports the immune system, and improves skin health. Incorporating papaya and its seeds into your diet can be an effective strategy for improving overall health and preventing disease. Knowledge about papaya and its components such as papain continues to grow, and with it, the understanding of how this fruit can be used to support health in innovative ways. Natural. By incorporating papaya and its seeds into your daily diet, you can not only enjoy its delicious taste but also reap the numerous benefits this amazing fruit has to offer. So, the next time you consume a papaya, remember its seeds and the therapeutic potential they can provide. Nature offers many valuable resources, and papaya is an excellent example of how food can be powerful allies in promoting health and well-being. If this video helped you, remember to like it and share it with your friends and family in WhatsApp groups. Help this content reach more people. And if you like to be up to date with highly effective natural methods that help with your intestinal health, subscribe to the Intestinal Life channel and leave your comment with a suggestion for our new video. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.